Congratulations on getting your blog started. By now you probably have the perfect domain name picked out for your blog and you're ready to add it to your site. I'm Emily. I'm going to show you how to do just that. There are a couple of different ways to change the website's domain. I'll show you both. In Website Builder, we make it easy for you to update your domain. All you need to do is click the Use My Domain link in the preview window, which shows next to your current domain right here. The other way is to go into Settings, which is what I'm going to do. Your subdomain that you were given when creating your site shows. Let's click Manage to view the domain settings page. At this point, you have three options. You can use a domain that you have purchased by selecting it from the drop-down box. You can click the link to get a new domain, or you can use the free GoDaddy URL that was assigned when you named your website. For this demonstration, we're going to use a domain that we have available. It's as easy as choosing the domain from the drop-down list. If you choose to use an external domain, you'll have to go to that external domain provider and change the IP address associated with that domain's A record. You can always ask the company for help if you need it. When the domain you want is selected, you can save or save and publish. Once you publish, if you used an existing domain name with GoDaddy, your site should be live and searchable. If you used an external domain name, it can take up to 72 hours for your site to become live. Now that you've added your domain name to your website, get out there and share your blog with the world. I'm Emily. Thanks for watching.